World's biggest religious gathering, the Kumbh Mela, has begun in Uttar Pradesh's Prayagraj. The religious congregation kicked off with a holy dip by the seers in the confluence of rivers Ganga, Yamuna and mythical Saraswati. Bathing slots have been allotted to different sects of saints gathered at the Mahakumbh to avoid clashes. Sannyasis were the first to take a dip at 6:15 a.m. Bairagis will bathe in the Ganges from 10:40 a.m. in the second slot, whereas the Udaisin seers have been given the third bathing slot at 1:15 p.m. today. Massive security has been put in place to deal with innovations. More than 12 crore devotees are expected to take part in the event over the next 48 days.
एक मंत्री आज इस दिव्यता में महंत की भूमिका, संत की भूमिका।
देखिए, आज मंत्री नहीं संत जा रहे हैं और मुझे जो गुरुओं ने प्रसाद दिया है, मैं कह सकती हूँ कि विश्व का ये नंबर 1 मेला, जिसमें इतने लोग आने के बाद भी इतनी अनुशासन व्यवस्था में मेला होता है। इसे भव्य कुंभ और दिव्य कुंभ जो माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी ने नारा दिया था, आज वो नजारा दिखाई पड़ रहा है।
तैयारियों से खुश है जो कुछ दिख रहा है?
देखिए, मैं बहुत सारे सन 82 से कुंभ कर रही हूँ, लेकिन इस बार का कुंभ जो है वो अलग नजारा दिखाई पड़ रहा है। जहाँ पूरे विश्व से लोग आ रहे हैं, वहाँ पूरे हिंदुस्तान के लोग आ रहे हैं।
कहते हैं ऐसे में जब अखाड़े निकलते हैं तो धर्म की रक्षा का संदेश देते हैं।
ये अखाड़ों की परंपरा बहुत प्राचीन है, आदिगुरु आचार्य शंकराचार्य जी के समय की, और ये तीर्थराज प्रयाग, मुझे लग रहा है कि सारे राजाओं का राजा आपको दिखाई पड़ रहा होगा कि एक
अखाड़ों के ठाट बाट भी बहुत होते हैं।
देखिए, अखाड़ों के ठाट बाट, ये भी एक संदेशा है कि ये जो आपको आगे नागा सन्यासी दिखाई पड़ रहे होंगे, ये सिर्फ यात्रा की शोभा नहीं है, देश के लिए जरूरत पड़ेगी तो सारे आगे आते हैं।
सनातन संस्कृति में संतों को राष्ट्र के लिए आगे आने की एक पुरानी परंपरा है, क्या वही संदेश आज यहाँ?
संत परंपरा है जो सनातन संस्कृति को जीवित रखे हुए है।
आप में से किसी ने अभी ली ली है डुबकी? सुबह सुबह सबने ले लिया, बताइए कैसा रहा?
बहुत अच्छा रहा।
सब पाप धुल गए?
पाप तो धुल ही गए। 5 स्नानों में से पहला स्नान सुने तो पाप तो धुल गए। पाप किया ही क्या था, लेकिन तब भी मेरे पाप धुल गए। आस्था क्या है?
आप पहली बार आए हैं अर्ध कुंभ या कुंभ में? पहला चक्कर है आपका या पहले भी आते रहे?
पहली बात तो ये अर्ध कुंभ या कुंभ नहीं, ये दिव्य कुंभ है।
अच्छा, दिव्य कुंभ है।
ये प्रयागराज नहीं, ये दिव्य राज है।
अच्छा,
ये योगी राज है, ये मोदी राज है।
अच्छा, तो आप तो लग रहा है पार्टी की तरफ से आए। लेकिन पहले भी कभी कुंभ गए हैं?
पहले भी कुंभ हुए हैं, लेकिन जो व्यवस्था इस बार देखने को मिल रही है आज तक मिली नहीं।
कितनी देर चलना पड़ा हमें बताओ?
हमें 2-2.5 किलोमीटर, ज्यादा नहीं चलना पड़ा।
आपको नहीं? आपको कितना देर चलना?
2.5-3 किलोमीटर।
2.5-3 किलोमीटर। तो मतलब
सुबह के निकले हुए हैं। झांसी हाँ, हम सुबह के निकले हुए हैं। रात में अभी 2 बजे आए हैं यहाँ पर, और अभी स्नान किया, बड़ा आनंद आया।
बड़ा पाप भी धुल गए?
नहीं, पाप क्या है, पाप कभी किसी के नहीं धुल सकते हैं पूरी तरीके से। हाँ,
लेकिन ऐसा क्या है, हमें बताइए, जो अभी बैठ के देख रहे हैं टीवी पे, कि आप इतने जहाँ लोग आए हैं, क्यों आप आएंगे कुंभ में? क्या ऐसा आपको यहाँ स्पेशल लगता है?
कि आस्था का स्तंभ है।
हाँ।
और यहाँ ऐसा माना जाता है कि देवताओं के द्वारा अमृतपान किया गया था।
अच्छा।
इसलिए सब वो अमृत के लिए आते हैं कि कुछ ना कुछ हमें मिल जाए, जिससे हमारे पाप जो भी हैं, गलत काम है या जो भी कुछ है, वो हमें कुछ ना कुछ प्राप्त हो गया जाए। यहाँ
अरेंजमेंट कैसा लगा यहाँ पे?
बहुत बढ़िया अरेंजमेंट है यहाँ पे, बहुत बेहतरीन, डिसेंट।
And let's now cut across state to the Kumbh in Prayagraj, where my colleague Pooja Shali is joining me early this morning. Pooja, very good morning. Very colourful scenes from coming across from the Kumbh Mela right where you are at. Just take us through what's happening over there.
Well, that's right. Good morning, Griha, and to the viewers as well. You know, I woke up at 1 a.m. I had to walk for 5 kilometers. The sun had not even risen when I reached here, but there were lakhs of devotees already taking a dip. And when I asked them, what gives you so much confidence that you're here in temperature below 10 degrees, you're taking a dip in icy waters, where is this confidence coming from? And they say this is what their faith is about. So Prayagraj here is one of the biggest congregations. So it is also an event about religion, it is devotion, but we cannot take away the political aspect of it, because this is clearly also just ahead of 2019 parliamentary elections. And why this is important is for 2 reasons. One, Prayagraj, of course, as a devotional location is important because it's the confluence of the Ganga, Yamuna and a mythical Saraswati. But apart from that, it is important because this was only the Ardh Kumbh, as called, is a smaller version of the Mahakumbh. And yet, Yogi Adityanath, the Chief Minister of the state, not letting go of the opportunity and ensuring to make this into a mega event. No Ardh Kumbh gets this much coverage, and that's primarily because of the arrangements that have been made, the international marketing that has been done. I spoke to the DIG of the UP police as well, who told me they're expecting 1 crore people. And today is only the official starting. That was started by the Naga Sadhus. They're also called as the ash-smeared saints. They have a very high significance in the Hindu society. They were the one to inaugurate it, and since then there are people who have continued to just go ahead, and they're taking a dip one by one. You can see UP police personnel are deployed. There are paramilitary. There's I watched SSB, ITBP, and several other forces who continue to stay on ground. And there is a lot of enthusiasm, and living in cities, we probably do not realize the significance, and that is when you come here on ground, you realize what devotion and faith means to people. I want to just take another view. This is another round. To see, these are the devotees who've been standing here since late last night, and that's primarily because they want to catch one glimpse of the saints or the sadhus who come and take a dip. And that is why these strict security arrangements have been made here, and that is, and I constantly hear the chants of Har Har Gange, and that is what Prayagraj is about. And again, just
Prince Serge also over there, everybody is clad in those colors. I can see you, donning the mustard, which is really, offsetting the saffron over there. Take us through. I was actually watching your report from On Ground, the ground report that you've sent us. You were speaking to the devotees who had assembled over there, right at night. You're talking about 1 a.m. when you reached the place. Everybody had one thing to say about the arrangements. You have mentioned it is an Ardh Kumbh, but yet the security arrangements and the kind of arrangements that the Yogi Adityanath government has put in place, to actually put a face to this Ardh Kumbh and make it appear like this mega event right before 2019 elections is something to be spoken about.
That's right. Take a look at this, Griha. Senior police officers, that's the DIG of UP Police, Kuvendra Pratap Singh. I just spoke to him early in the morning as well. These are the rounds that they have to take consistently, that, they have to be on ground. They have to ensure that proper security checks are in place. And that is to ensure, because you're talking about a massive gathering. And just 2 days ago, there was also a fire at a nearby akhada. And let me tell you, how does this go? What's the schedule? It started at 6:55 a.m. And the first akhada is the group of saints and the sadhus and the seers who come. They were given exactly 40 minutes. When they finished at 6:55, at 7:10, another akhada had to reach. It is so meticulously planned because they do not want to offend either akhadas. They want to give them all their space, but it's very restricted. So they ensure that there is this proper, whether they have the tableau or they have their flags, all of these groups come and are ensured to reach in time and leave in time after they've done the Shahi Snan, which is a grand dip that they take in the waters. And there is a lot of color, but again, to your question, there is also technology. They are ensuring there are CCTV cameras, there are kiosks that have been put. And remember, why is the Kumbh famous in Hindi films? It is known because Kumbh mein people get lost and then they meet after many, many years. Kumbh mein bichhde hue do bhai, that's usually the reference that's taken, which means there are so many people, and that's why there are lost and found kiosk as well. I met a few people who were asking me if they can help me find out some of their relatives who've been missing. So that has already started, but here is the security barrier.
Right. In fact, the Yogi Adityanath government is ensuring, Pooja, that nobody gets lost in the Kumbh this time. I'll hold your thoughts there. Let me also get in a word from Ashutosh, who's also joining me live from where he is at the Kumbh. Ashutosh, just take us through exactly what you see around. It is the first day of, it's in fact the first Shahi Snan today, and from today the royal bathing days, they begin. Just talk to us about the significance of this Shahi Snan.
Well, Griha, this is a fusion of tradition, of culture, of faith, and religion. The biggest gathering of world that starts from today here in Prayagraj. All the akhada, those who are named, the protecting the religion as they are formed for the akhadas, they will be start arriving from this route. So far, the 7 akhadas have reached to the Sangam area, and now finally the biggest, one of the biggest akhada, Juna Akhada, Avahan, and Agni Akhada. And when you see these akhada, they are full of the colors, the saint, sadhu, and all the seers with the message of religion, faith, and protecting the country, the oldest tradition and culture, the Gurukul tradition that have been, being followed by these akhadas from over the years, and following the traditions, these akhadas will start marching from the route that you can see, the live images here at Prayag, and will be marching towards the Sangam area. The time has been fixed for each akhadas along with their followers, because there are thousands of the huge number of the followers from each akhada. So far, the 7 have reached, and other side, along with the fusion of tradition, culture, religion, and faith, this is also something transformation of Prayagraj. I very well remember when Yogi Adityanath changed name of the city from Allahabad to Prayagraj. He was criticized. Many people criticized him, and Yogi Adityanath government probably took that criticism as the biggest challenge, and the challenge was to reform the city of Allahabad. But there is always once an Allahabadi, always an Allahabadi. So the city is always, that we call Ganga Yamuni Tehzeeb, that has always been here in the culture. But the challenge was taken up by the Yogi government administration, and the whole city of Prayagraj has been completely reformed, completely transformed. Be it the technology, be it the modern equipments, everything first time has been put here all across Prayagraj. And now, taking you to the colors here at Prayagraj. Look at these people, those who have come from different parts of the country, from all across India, waiting here since morning. In this chilling winter, even it was very difficult for us to reach here at the Sangam area midnight at 2 o'clock, because all the akhadas, they started moving at 5 o'clock, 5 a.m. this morning. So these people have been waiting all across these barriers to welcome, to greet, and seek blessings of the saints and seers, those who are coming from other side of the river Ganga, to take this holy dip on this holy occasion of Makar Sankranti. And we have also learned that, this is first time where usually the Makar Sankranti that begins on 14th of January. So this time the Nakshatra and all these, so that's a fortune that this time Makar Sankranti is actually happening after 50 years. So that's the kind of, the combination of Graha Nakshatra, as these saints and seers are saying. And finally, the akhadas have started moving, the people, those who are here to seek blessings. And also, there will be a number of people, those who are sitting at home, probably missing these pictures after they see it on India Today, that they would also want to be part of this. But only I can say that you are actually missing what is happening here in Prayagraj.
Right, and I can say that, Ashutosh, that you are truly donned in the Kumbh colors, and you are not missing out on any of the excitement and the happenings that are happening right here at the Kumbh 2019, the Ardh Kumbh, in fact, and the Shahi Snan has begun from today. Pooja, I'll come back to you. The fact that you have landed from Delhi, just take us through the kind of approach, from the airport or from the railway station for people who are attending the Ardh Kumbh. What is it like? I mean, people can easily access the roads and go ahead to the spot where the Kumbh is happening, because these things they actually, count for a call in for a lot of importance, because the devotees who have come specially to Prayagraj to attend the Ardh Kumbh, they need to know where are they reaching.
Well, massive arrangements. The moment you land at the airport, which is also, by the way, a newly inaugurated functioning airport, and from there are these paintings that begin, which are with respect to Prayagraj, the city, and also the country. But then it goes on, and the moment after a few kilometers, while you notice wider roads, and you notice that you're now heading towards the Kumbh, you see security barriers and stringent police personnel who are deployed, ensuring that you do not cross these barriers unless you have valid identity cards. And in fact, can I just show you this, Griha? I'll just interrupt myself there. On horses are the UP police personnel. They are ensuring, because they cannot really be taking vehicles on this specific stretch, which is of course sand, but they this is a traditional method which UP police have ensured to use, because with this, while they are on their horses, they can go and reach out to more people and ensure that security also is in place. Again, you can see more traffic police personnel are also on the job. Everybody trying to keep the space clear, because akhadas also tend to be sensitive. While they are very politically also not as much spoken for, but they do hold the strength in political circles as well. And that is why, whether it is the political aspect, whether it is the spiritual, religious aspect, they are very sensitive of not being interrupted in their passages. And that is why, again, their route is cleared and kept specific. Here again, what you see right now, Griya, are these people in saffron robes who are returning after the Shahi Snan. So they've taken the dip, and they seem to have attained salvation, and now they are heading back. And remember, Prayagraj is the most significant, and Prayagraj is also because of not only its holy nature, but the fact that it remains as a confluence of rivers, and that is why it is so special. आइए सर, आप आ गए हैं वहाँ से स्नान करके.
At that, we'll come back to more that is happening from the Earth Kumbh 2019.
Thanks for watching the video. For more such news and updates, please like, share and subscribe to India Today. Also check out our other great videos from our channel. We know you would love to.